Organizations in Surfy have two hierarchical levels, management and department. You can see their hierarchy by clicking on Organization, Organization, see the hierarchy of organizations. The directorates are at the head of the column, and the services are in succession. To create a directorate, we go to the context menu, Create an Organization. We type in the name of the directorate and we give it a color. Since there are two levels of hierarchy, if I create a directorate, it obviously doesn't have a parent organization. I validate the creation. My direction is created. To create a service from the context menu, I create an organization. I give the name of the service. I give it a color. And I can link this department to its directorate, which is the parent organization. There, I will choose my direction, and I validate the creation. I now have the possibility in the hierarchy of organizations to see my department with my department attached to this department. I can also consult the list of organizations and check that my department has a parent organization, which is its directorate, and that the directorate has a child organization service, which is the service. It is important not to have a parent organization and daughter organizations at the same time. This would mean that the organization is neither a directorate because it itself has a directorate, nor a service because it itself has services. And this obviously distorts your database in Surfy. In Surfy, a room, a workstation, or a person is attached to a department that in turn reports to its management. If we enter a room, by modifying the room, we can change the organization, and here we only have the list of departments, and I have my department with the management in parentheses. Under no circumstances do the directorates appear in these lists, whether to attach a room, a person, or a workstation to an organization. You can then view the organizations on the maps by clicking on the organizations icon. The organizations attached to the areas are visualized by department or by department. You can also open the little butterfly in front of each organization to have the details of the number of people, the number of square meters, and the associated ratios. We also have a hierarchy tab that allows each department to have the associated services.